Types of matrices. First one is rectangular matrix. It is that matrix in which number of rows and number of columns are not equal to each other. We can say that M is not equal to N. Then square matrix. Square matrix is the matrix in which number of rows are equal to the number of columns. That is, we can say that M is equal to N. We can also written as N cross N. This N by N order. Then diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix is the matrix in which all elements are 0 except the diagonal elements. Means all elements are 0 except those elements in which the row position is equal to the column position. That is, all those Aij is equal to non-zero where I is equal to j, and all those Aij is equal to 0 where I is not equal to j. And we, in short, we also written the diagonal matrix as Dij dot square brackets and all the diagonal elements. Upper triangle matrix. Upper triangle matrix are those matrices in which the Aij elements are non-zero when I is less than j, and all Aij is equal to 0 when I is greater than j. We can see that this is the upper triangle matrix in which there is upper triangle is formed and all the elements are 0 in which I is greater than j. Similarly, in lower triangle, all elements are 0 where I is less than j, and in this matrix we can say that there is a lower triangle is formed. Then scalar matrix. Scalar matrix is the matrix in which the diagonal elements are all diagonal elements are equal and that contains a scalar, and all those non-diagonal elements are 0 in nature. And this is the mathematical representation of this scalar matrix. Identity matrix. Identity matrix is the matrix in which all diagonal elements are equal to 1 and all non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. And this is the mathematical representation of identity matrix, and it is denoted by capital I. And all Aij is equal to 1 when I is equal to j, and all Aij is equal to 0 when I is not equal to j. Then zero or null matrix. Zero or null matrix is the matrix in which all elements are equal to 0, and it is denoted by capital bold O. Then idempotent matrix. Idempotent matrix is the matrix in which original matrix is equal to the A square matrix. Means A matrix is equal to the A multiply B. Then nilpotent matrix is the matrix in which An is equal to 0 where n is any positive integer, which is called as nilpotent matrix, nilpotent index. After that, orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix is that matrix in which the multiplication of original matrix with its transpose is equal to identity matrix. Means A transpose is equal to A transpose A is equal to I. Then involutory matrix is that matrix in which the square of given matrix is equal to the identity matrix.